And then this is the important bit. So this is Meliz Cooks lockdown style. I'm going to show you how to make the most super simple Turkish restaurant style chili sauce, and I cannot wait to show you how easy and tasty it is. So other than a can of chopped tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, pomegranate molasses, Turkish red pepper paste, I use the sweet variety. I've got a chopped chili, you can use red or green. I've got pul biber or Turkish pepper flakes or Aleppo pepper flakes, some dried mint, garlic, onion and fresh parsley. And you also need a food processor. And I just want to say something. Maybe I'll say that again while they're not chattering. If you are going to measure things out, which you should do, obviously, if you want the recipe to go to plan, a set of measuring spoons is the way to go. If you find yourself in the kitchen more often now, these are so handy. When you see recipes that say a tablespoon of, a teaspoon of, they have been measured out with measuring spoons. So I'm just going to show you how easy this is. Open your food processor, chuck everything in, one by one. Going first with that, then the chopped onion. Get that all in. I've got a large chopped onion here. If you've got two small onions, that's fine as well. I'm going to go in with the oil and the pomegranate molasses. And the pomegranate molasses gives the sauce a lovely kind of sweet tang, aside from those kind of tart tomatoes. I've got the sweet red pepper paste, Turkish red pepper paste, one of the ingredients, other than pul biber, that I think I get asked daily, probably 120 times, slight exaggeration. I've got the Turkish red pepper paste in there. I've got a chopped chili, green or red is absolutely fine. I've got a Turkish sivri biber here, so that's also fine. Pul biber, Turkish Aleppo pepper flakes, whichever one should be fine. Some dried mint. I love the combination of mint and tomatoes in a sauce, it's beautiful. Some chopped garlic. This amounts to about a teaspoon. So there's 2 cloves of garlic there and your flat leaf parsley, fresh flat leaf parsley. Make sure you get every last bit in there. It's over there. And then put the lid back on. Whiz it all up. Have a little look. Give it a little bit more of a whiz. This is the important bit, and it's the bit where you need to taste it. Always taste your food, unless it's like raw meat, obviously don't taste that. But always taste anything you're kind of going to give to someone else. Oh, that's so good. Do you know, I rarely put salt in this because the red pepper paste I find can be a lot saltier than say like a tomato puree. That is banging. I'm gonna give it one little more whiz and then we're good to go. So you can add salt if you want. I don't think it needs it. That now is good to go. So let me just double check it one last time. I go through about 27 spoons every time I try something. I don't want any double dipping. So, let's try it once more. And it's the texture that I'm looking for. If you want it really fine, keep whizzing it. I mean, you can put it in a blender, but I quite like the little chunks in there. That is perfect now. I'm not going to do anything else to it other than pour it into a bowl. A bit stuck, that one. Pour it into a bowl. And that's it. Put that in there. The most wonderful Turkish restaurant style chili sauce that you can put on cooked meats, especially if you're having a barbecue. You can have with roasted vegetables. You can have as a relish. It's so adaptable. It's so super tasty, and it will keep in the fridge for a few days as well. So you can have it all week. Absolutely delicious. So if you enjoyed my video, please click and subscribe.